And we're back to learning Midjourney. Today just a quick video. I'm going to show the stop parameter, and you can use that to stop the image generation midway or at a certain point. Let us start with a portrait beautiful woman, style raw, AR 16:9. I'll copy this one and run it. When you run it, the stop default of 100 will be added. So it's going to run 100%. And let me add stop 50, halfway, stop 80, and also stop 90. So stop 50 should be ready first because it stops midway. In the meantime, we'll check the documentation, and here you can see it. It's an easy parameter and allows you to blur your images and have less details added. Radius go from 10% to 100. As I've said, 100 is all the way, so this is the default. And here you can see an example where it gets from blurriest to sharpest, so from 10 to 100. We have the same effect here. Here's to 100. Everything is clear, lots of details. Here's 80. You can already see a little bit of a blur. Here's 90. It almost becomes invisible, but there are less details, definitely. And here's 50. And this is what I would say is kind of like the limit. If you go further down, your images aren't really useful anymore, because it's going to lose so many details that the results, I don't know what you would want to use them for. But here, for example, in the documentation, 50 would be somewhat usable, but here's 30, no chance. Here's my 30, doesn't really appeal anymore. And here was my 50. As I've said, this would be the limit, so stay above it if you want to add a little bit of a blur to your images. As always, I'm going to link to the documentation. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.